everyone and welcome to our channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today we are here to help you with some easy points on how to make a speech. Now this could be your introduction at an event or self-introduction. Both the places, one thing that remains the same is your appearance. How you present yourself makes the first impression. So your dressing becomes very important. Good dressing sense. By good dressing sense, I mean good decorum. For example, if you're going for a family function, then you certainly wear a party dress. But you cannot wear that at a more formal meet, like an office conference. When you are rightly dressed, your audience draw a perception about you. And that first look of acceptance helps you grow the confidence that you seek from your audience. Next is your facial expressions. Imagine you are attending a session and the speaker walks in with a dull face, absolutely no energy. I'm sure most of us would want to escape before he would even begin. On the contrary, when you see a bright smiling face entering the hall with great energy, enthusiasm, acknowledging your presence as an audience, I'm sure most of us as an audience would look forward to his speech. So your facial expressions become at most important when you are the speaker. Now the next important point here is introduction. If you're the host for a formal meet or a casual gathering, then it becomes really important that you give a brief introduction about yourself. By brief, I would specifically mention that do not exceed more than 4 or 5 lines. For example, if you are at a casual meet, then it could be something like this. Hi, I'm Mona, Suzanne's maternal cousin, and your host tonight. Looking forward to making this a memorable event. Or if you are at a more formal meet, like an office meeting, then it could be something like this. Good morning everyone, my name is Mona. I am a part of the marketing team and today I am here to present to you few marketing strategies that have been devised for the next quarter. So if you see, I have not exceeded more than 4 to 5 lines in both the examples. Now, if you have your session planned for 3 to 4 days continuously with the same set of audience, then you need not necessarily introduce yourself with the same lines every single day. You could just say a hi or good morning everyone. Hope you all are having a great day and start with your session. The next important point when you make a speech is your body language. Now if in a session the speaker walks in with absolutely no interest in the audience and directly starts reading from the manuscript without making an eye contact, how would that sound? Mostly robotic. On the contrary, if the speaker walks in with a great smile, makes good eye contact with all the audience, and does not focus on only one side, then that makes it sound pretty interesting. The last and the most important point that applies to the entire speech is keeping it interactive. Imagine if I as a speaker enter into the room and start talking without any break, without any consideration if I am being understood. I'm sure I would draw more aversion from my audience than interest. As a speaker, I would always want to be accepted by my audience. And that acceptance comes when you make your audience feel belonged, when you give them a chance to ask their doubts, when you ask questions and make it interactive. So with this, we have covered the basic concepts of how to start a speech. Hope you all loved watching the video and it turns out to be helpful. Please do like and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And also let us know on what other topics you would like us to help you with our videos.